Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to create an AI assistant. It's pretty easy. First off, you'll come to the assistants page, and usually if you don't have any assistants already created, you'll see two options, pick from scratch or template. I recommend using the template because it is a lot easier. If you have some already created, you just come up here, hit create, and I'm going to choose from a template. Just go with Gilfroy. First up is configuration. There's a lot of things you can do here, such as change the image, change the name of your person. I could just name him James, maybe. The language, which is coming soon. There's also a lot of voices you can choose from. Just come down here, hit this little pencil button, and there will be a lot of options for you. You can go through each one and test them and choose the one you like. Just hit next, and then it'll set the voice for you. You can also test it right here on this button. You can also opt into sensitive data storage if you want. This is a preference thing. Vocabulary. This one's cool because you are able to add words and phrases that your AI will use in a call that relate to your organization or whatever you want, really. Next up is prompting. So prompting is the most important part of your AI assistant. For the template, it'll already have the prompt written out for you, which is pretty useful. Um, the name here, let's just change that to James, the name of our guy. Yeah, prompting is very important. Luckily, the template has a good prompt already written for us, so we don't have to worry about that much. The knowledge base. There is a video on how to do the knowledge base. This is useful for if you want to link a website or some files that your AI can pull from during calls. Next up is functions. This one's also pretty easy. So in functions, you can change things like booking and add your cal.com API key so you can have the AI directly book things for you instead of looking through it yourself, which is pretty useful. Call transfer, it's pretty self-explanatory. It'll transfer the number to the number you input. And end call. So this name thing here doesn't really matter right now. The only thing that matters is the condition. And the condition basically means if you put a condition in, say like someone says pineapple and the call, then it will do just that and it will end the call based on your condition. And if you ever want to remove any of these or redo them, you just hit the little X right here, press delete, and then you can redo it. Next up is deployment. Deployment is super easy. There's another video for buying a phone number, but once you have one, you can just come down here and it should be here, select it, and then that's all you need to do for deployment. And once you're done all that, you can look at your analytics. You can see how your calls have gone and other things. Pretty useful if you want to know what's going on. So once you're done all that, you can test it by hitting talk, or you can select a number that you want it to call from, a name for whoever it's calling, and then the number you want it to call right here. It's pretty easy. That's how you test it, but you don't need to do any of that. You can just hit talk and it'll open up the call right in the web browser here, and you'll be able to test it at any time you like. That's pretty much it for how to build, except for Scratch, which basically means you have to write the entire prompt yourself, which is pretty difficult, but if you're good at prompting, it's a good thing to know.